AI is changing branding of business from who has the biggest budget to who can use this tool smarter, and you too can make use of this opportunity as a small business. In this video, I'm going to take you through how AI that can help you with branding of your business, and also mention some of the apps that you can also use to brand your business for free. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tochi, and on this channel we talk on how to grow your business, improve your brand, and also business ideas that you can start. Let's dive right into the video. What I want you to know first is that AI helps your small business to look more professional by you being able to use these free tools to brand your business. For example, creating logos, colors, videos. It will help you to look professional as a small business even before you meet up with the big businesses, right? And also, this setting up will take less than a week if you want to do like a serious setup of your colors, your logos, and you want to do it to look very professional. So you have to take your time to do everything that you want to and not be in a hurry. This setup is These tools will help you to do these setups faster and even at a lower cost for some apps that might need you to pay a little to be able to get some colors that you might want for your brand, right? So this AI is help with that. Number two is it helps increase consistency. You can do a day-to-day plan on how you want to, show up for your business. You can use apps that will help you to set up your schedule for the days that you want to post, apps that will help you to generate content ideas for your brand. You just describe the type of content that you want, and then they'll give you content ideas, or they can even help you to, create the video just for you to act out on it, or you want to put something extra into the video that they have created for you to post for your brand. And then the schedule, you can do all of this content in one day, and then you just put on dates that you want to post it. Like Instagram has a schedule that you put dates that you want this video to be released, and it will be rolling out videos like that for you. Helps you to stay consistent on your socials, which will also make your customers to feel that you are real and that you're consistent. They can easily release your money to them because it gives them sense of stability and realness from your own aspect. The next one is it changes how customers discover your brand. For example, when you have done all this professional branding, posting consistently, putting your words or your content in simple context, right? Once customers need something that is related to your brand will pop up. For example, on social media, on Instagram, when on your bio, when you're describing your brand, you need to put what you're doing on your brand. So if I want to buy, for example, shoes, and I just come and click on you're selling kids shoes, you won't just put shoes on your bio. You're going to specify that you're selling either handmade kids shoes or you're selling kids shoes. So if you're selling or you're producing handmade kids shoes, you need to put it there that you are producing handmade kids shoes. This will help, narrow the search. And once a customer comes on that search and click on handmade and impute handmade kids shoes, your page will just appear. Your profile will be amongst the profiles that will appear. Why? Because you have specified what you're doing, and with them going through your page with your consistent posting, scheduling, and all of that, your logo and everything, visibility is easier because they are going to see what you're doing and that you're serious about the business, so they will be able to get and purchase from you. That is how it helps you on customers discovering your brand. The fourth one is it helps with content creation. Like I said earlier, it can help you with you getting ideas of content that you're going to create. You're doing you're producing handmade kids shoes. It's going to give you ideas on the type of content you're going to create around it. And you doing your when you're producing, or when you're checking, just it's going to give you ideas on how you're going to create content that will resonate with your customers, right? The fifth one is it raises bar for quality. So so by the time it helps you to create content, you will not have an excuse why you're not creating good content, because it's going to give you ideas on the type of content that you create. And then it will also give you content that will resonate with your target audience, your target customers. So you will not have any reason for you not to create a content. And then this will also help you not to be lazy about creating content for your brand, because AI is doing everything for you, it's thinking for you. All you just need to do is to act. Just do the act on your video and just shoot the video. That's just it, because it's thinking for you, is writing the script for you, is doing everything for you. So AI also helps you with tools that will help you analyze your customers' review. So if you collect your if you want to analyze your customers' review, you can always use a tool from AI, an app rather, that would help you analyze your customers' review. For example, their comments, their complaints, or your product that they buy more regular. You want to analyze and know which of your products do they buy often, which of your products are they not buying, why are they not buying it, have they complained severally about it. There are apps that can help you to analyze these things, and for you to be able to know where you can improve as a small business, as a brand. So AI is helping you with that, right? So you can also have AI automation. For example, your Instagram, you can generate an automated response. Your WhatsApp, you have an automated response. Just type in whatever you want it to respond whenever someone sends you a message, especially someone that hasn't sent you a message in a long time, or someone that has never sent you a message before. They will get an automated response from the AI. It's just going to give them response of whatever you have typed in there for it to respond, right? So it's going to help you with fast response, making your customer not feel left out, or not feel that you don't want to reply them. So it's either you're going to respond putting frequently asked questions there, or you're going to respond if you're not available, or you're going to respond, or how many minutes is going to take you to respond to the customer. You're going to put it there, and AI will help you to respond to the customer, so that the customer can know that, okay, your attention is there and you're going to respond in no time. AI tool is not going to be the brand per se, but it's going to help you build your brand. So you need to capitalize on these AI tools, use them rightly for your own benefit. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you have watched this point, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, click on the bell button to get notification whenever I post new videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.